Outlook not connecting to the server? Here are 8 ways you can fix it. This is the Windows Club. After updating the system to the latest version, many users are struggling to connect Outlook to the server. Due to this issue, users are not able to send, receive, refresh, or even download any new email. Here we have shown how you can fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. The very first thing that you can try is to restart Outlook. Sometimes there can be a temporary glitch that is stopping Outlook to connect with the server. In such a case, the best thing you can try is to restart Outlook. You can even reconnect with the internet and open Outlook. Now check if the problem is fixed or not. Method 2. A weak internet connection can be another reason you're facing this problem. In such a case, you can't do anything other than wait until your internet is back. You can reboot your router in case you're using it as your internet source. You can even contact your ISP if the problem continues for a long time. Method 3. Another reason that can trigger the issue is the wrong account credentials. Sometimes you would have entered the wrong username or password and wondered why Outlook is not connecting to the server. The situation mainly arises when you are logging in for the first time, so make sure you have entered the correct credentials. Launch Outlook on your system. Click on the File option present on the top left corner of the screen. Click on the drop-down icon present with the account settings. Choose Account Settings from the list of options. Tap on your email account and choose the Remove option. That's it. You have finally removed the existing account from Outlook. Now go to File again and choose the Add Account option. Make sure to enter the correct ID password this time. Method 4. The next thing you should check is whether Outlook is online or not. If Outlook is offline, there is no way by which you can connect it with the Microsoft servers. Open Outlook on your system. Click on Send or Receive tab present on the top section. Click on the Work Offline option. Now, Outlook will connect with the Microsoft server. Check if the problem is fixed or not. Method 5. The best part about Microsoft Outlook is that it features an option using which you can easily repair different email providers in the app. So, if you're facing a server problem, you will have to go to the repair process to fix the problem. Launch the Outlook app on your system. Click on the File option present at the top left corner. Tap on the drop-down icon present under the Account Settings option. Choose Account Settings from the list of options. In the following window, select your Gmail account. Tap on the Repair option. Once done, restart your system. Open Outlook and check whether the problem is fixed or not. Method 6. You can rebuild the Outlook data file to fix the server not connecting problem. By default, all the data of Outlook is saved on an external file. However, if it gets corrupted, you will have issues connecting to the server. As a solution to it, you will have to rebuild the Outlook data file. Launch Outlook and select Account Settings and click on Data Files. Click on the email account that is not able to connect to the server. Choose the Open File Location option. Now rename the Outlook data file associated with the problematic mail address. Now open Outlook and wait until it rebuilds the data file. Method 7. Outlook comes with the option of installing different extensions to the platform. However, these extensions can also be the reason why you are not able to connect to the server. You will have to turn off the extensions to fix the problem. Open Outlook, select File and open Options. Click on Add-ins. Tap on the Go option and uncheck all the installed extensions. Click on OK to save the settings. Launch Outlook and check if the problem persists. Method 8. Sometimes an outdated app can be the reason behind different issues, including the one you are currently facing. Launch Outlook and click on File. Click on the Office account option present on the left panel of the screen. Tap on the drop-down arrow present under Update Options. Choose the Update Now option. Now Microsoft will look for any available update. If found, it will automatically update Outlook. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.